I don't know if you can see, but it's pouring here in New Hampshire. This is the leftovers from that hurricane. In back is my bug-out camper. I think you can maybe see the girls in the window. What I'm going to try to do is experiment and test the magnesium stick I just got from firesteel.com. Without shelter, just see if I can light a fire here out in the cement. First step is to take a piece of this dead down birch that I found. Strip the bark. Really can't beat this stuff, as most of you probably well know. Makes a good platform too for catching your magnesium if you use it. I'm not going to go so far as to completely establish a fire out here, but I want to see if I can get at least this birch bark kindling ignited, and then I know with a little bit of preparation and effort I could shave and get some dry wood and take it from there. So again, I'm not protecting anything here from the rain. Just want to see exactly how well I can accomplish this and how quickly I can do it. So now I'm scraping a little pile of magnesium. It's definitely an easier scrape than those magnesium bars I've used before, say from Walmart and stuff. And I'm tempted to see how much I can get away with here. I know if I was to make a huge pile, probably wouldn't have too much problem. But I want to see how little I can get away with. Still get a fire. So, just try to get it all in one place. Now the key for me is getting a piece of birch right on the magnesium, and then my well-worn Ranger fire steel. Well, that's the end of my Ranger. Let me come back with the Armageddon and see. This is all wet, and that didn't go. Okay, this is my last chance, literally. PJ balls, don't fail me now. So far I've torn through my Ranger. My own Tinder fob got too wet and failed me. So now I'm going to try TJ ball. And fortunately I have the backup fire steel.